fahren.
A significant water outage affected large sections of Berlin, leaving many residents without tap water. Reports indicate disruptions in districts such as Mitte, Kreuzberg, Schöneberg and Charlottenburg. A spokesperson for the Berlin police confirmed to Spiegel that the issue stemmed from a major burst water pipe in the Seestrasse area of Wedding. Authorities described the incident as a massive burst water pipe at the intersection of Seestrasse and Guineastrasse in Wedding. The exact cause of the rupture remains unknown. Berlin Waterworks confirmed the breakage, stating that teams were working to halt the water flow from the damaged pipe. Once secured, water pressure was expected to gradually return. According to a statement on X, full restoration of the water supply across all affected areas was anticipated by midnight.